What it looks like to be a billionaire in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. What do you really know about this Asian country? If you had the opportunity, would you take a vacation to this country? Saudi Arabia is known as an oil magnate country, but beyond this, you may not know much about this amazing country. So in this video, we will take a look at what the lifestyle of the rich and influential displays. If you would love to know exactly how Saudi Arabia have increased their numbers of billionaires over the years, then journey with us on this video and watch till the end so you won't miss any part of it. But before we dive right into this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed whenever we upload a new video. When you pass through the Middle Eastern part of the world, Saudi Arabia becomes a very important nation worthy of mention, from its royal family and their possessions, to its oil rigs, and even its number of billionaires it has successfully grown has made it an emblem of admiration. In fact, this nation is worth $34.4 trillion. The wealthy nation of Saudi Arabia is governed by King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. The Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia is Salman Al Saud. This family, which is officially known as the Saud, has a net worth of $1.4 trillion as of 2018, and in comparison with the British royal family, which had a net worth of $88 billion that same year, you can obviously see that this family is extremely wealthy. They are wealthier than a lot of countries put together. Apart from this family, one of the recognized wealthy individual is Mohammed Hussein Al Amoudi. Though he was born in Ethiopia, he now resides in Saudi Arabia and amassed majority of his wealth from construction projects in this nation, after which he invested into buying of oil refineries in countries like Sweden, Morocco, and many more. He is a professional business mogul who is actively involved in mining of gold, agriculture, processing of food, and others. All these amassed together gives him a net worth of $8.3 billion. Mohammed bin Isa Al Jabbar is another billionaire that lives in Saudi Arabia. He is the C.E.O and founder of MBI Group, which is a conglomerate having JJW Hotels and Resort, which has various luxury hotels in Europe and Africa. His net worth is estimated to be $9 billion. Wealthy business Saudi Arabian tycoon, like both mentioned above and many other, are known to have a collection of extremely expensive possessions and properties. Some of their exclusive car collections include that of Turki bin Abdullah, one of Saud royal family youngest member, has a collection of golden cars. He bought a Mercedes Jeep, a Lamborghini Aventador, a Rolls-Royce, and a Bentley Flying Spur in 2017, and they were all golden cars. A Lamborghini cost price is around $535,000, but the collections of Turki cars put together amount to $2 million. Pricey artworks are also what most Saudi billionaires cherish. The Salvator Mundi artwork created by Leonardo da Vinci was auctioned at Christie, New York for $450.3 million in 2017 and was bought by Mohammed bin Salman, the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia. In 2018, this artwork was displayed at the Louvre Gallery, Paris, but got to the Crown Prince private yacht called the Serene. Another important possession that Saudi billionaires all own is extraordinary yacht to cruise the coastlines for executive vacation trips and tours. The Serene was delivered to Russian Yuri Shefler, the vodka tycoon, in 2011 for $330 million. This vessel is 439 feet in length and was regarded as one of the privately owned longest yacht, and it has once convened Bill Gates, who chartered it for $5 million per week. In 2015, Bin Salam bought it for $550 million. From 2017 to 2019, the Saudi Arabia purge occurred when a lot of business moguls, members of the royal family, and ministers serving the government were arrested because of investigation based on corruption. This investigation was instigated by Crown Prince bin Salman, and billionaires were stopped from flying on their private jet just in case anyone was trying to run away from being investigated. The government believed that $800 billion was used to sponsor corrupt practices. It didn't stop here, as over 2,000 bank accounts were frozen and about 500 people were arrested. The Ritz-Carlton Hotel located in Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia, was where these 500 wealthy individuals were kept during the investigation. At the end of this investigation, $106 billion was recovered. Prince Al-Walid bin Talal was also one of the billionaire arrested. He was part of the royal family, although he usually held a contrary opinion to their views. He is the C.E.O and founder of the Kingdom Holdings, which is worth $39.06 billion. He announced in 2015 that he would donate all his money worth $32 billion to charity in years to come. In January 2018, when he was released, Wall Street Journal Journal mentioned that he submitted $6 billion before his release was granted. Prince Mit bin Abdullah, who held the position of the head of National Guard, was also among those who returned stolen fund. He returned $1 billion. This led to Saudi Arabian billionaires being blacklisted from Forbes list henceforth from the year 2018. Despite the billionaires in Saudi Arabia and its over $300 billion oil boom, it has a 15.4% unemployment rate and increased poverty. In 2012, King Abdullah bin Abdulaziz Al Saud proposed spending $37 billion for housing, increasing wages, unemployment benefits, creating new economic cities that will generate employment, etc., just to reduce the poverty level to the barest minimum. The Jeddah Tower construction was started in 2013 at a height of 1,000 meters, around 3,280 feet tall, thus becoming the world's biggest, though its construction was put on hold in 2018, and its expected completion cost is $1.23 billion. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you would be informed whenever we upload a new video. You can also leave a comment. Thank you for watching.